Today, there are 2 big exams left in 2 months. My belief in positivity has increased quite a bit, and I don't think I'll fail the exams. On the other hand, I don't think I can pass the exams either. I asked why I had such contradictory thoughts. He replied that it was because of different reasons that come to mind with each sentence. Positive belief is associated with the idea of failing the exam, while logical thinking is associated with the idea of passing it. In other words, the same proposition is being combined and associated with different ways. He asked me why I like logical thinking. I said that the completeness of logic that overcomes incompleteness is good in itself. He asked me to logically answer a question. What caused a child who was running to trip on a rock? Firstly, because the child was running instead of walking. Secondly, it was the fault of the municipality for not clearing the rock on the road. They should have maintained it. Thirdly, it was the fault of the parents who didn't look after the child. They should have watched over him. Fourthly, it was the fault of passerby A who saw the rock a week ago and didn't remove it. He should have cleared it. There could be many other reasons as well. He asked me what the proportion of each cause was. I said that it couldn't be objectively calculated. He asked me who should take responsibility if someone had to take responsibility. Since the proportion of each cause cannot be objectively calculated, it is also impossible to know who should take how much responsibility. I asked him if he thought that logic was unnecessary. He replied that logic is necessary because it clearly exists in causality and has utility. However, it is also incomplete in every way. He explained that the intention of his questions was to point out the existence and usefulness of logic in causality, but also its incompleteness.